ready to hit pause on your Disney adventures and reclaim your budget. Here's exactly how to cancel your subscription, step by step, so you stop those recurring charges. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Disney website. You'll need to log into your account, enter the email address and password associated with your Disney subscription, and click the Login button. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Account option to access your subscription details. On your account page, you'll see information about your current subscription scroll down until you find the button that says Cancel Subscription. Click this button to proceed. Disney will ask you to confirm your decision. They might provide reasons to stay. But to proceed with cancellation, click the Complete Cancellation button. You'll then see a confirmation screen indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It will also tell you the date your access to Disney will end, which is typically the end of your current billing cycle. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Disney subscription, preventing any further charges and taking control of your entertainment spending.